This project is called Windborne. It arose from reflections on peripheral residential areas and how places of everyday life are disappearing in them. Today, such areas mainly serve as residential areas. People live here, but they have to travel to the city center for services, work, socializing, and active city life. I wondered, what if every residential area had its own center of attraction, accessible, lively, and integrated directly into the living environment? I chose a dandelion as my image. This plant does not exist as a single object. It forms networks and spreads everywhere, creating many points of life. In my opinion, public buildings in peripheral areas should work on the same principle. Not one large center for the whole city, but many small public hubs close to residential areas. The Dandelion House is a prototype of such a hub. It can appear in different areas, forming a network of local centers of everyday life. The architecture of the building is based on simple but clear logic. It consists of two main parts, a public stem at the bottom and a residential crown at the top. The lower part of the building functions as an open public space for the neighborhood. The upper part is compact housing for people in transitional life situations. In this way, the building combines public activity and living, creating a constant presence of life inside and around it. The communal floors house facilities that support everyday life in the neighborhood. There are cafes and a communal kitchen, work and study spaces, workshops, meeting places, and event venues. These spaces are intended not only for the residents of the building, but for the entire neighborhood. They serve as a focal point where people can spend time, work, meet, or simply be part of the community. Importantly, all of these functions are within walking distance of the residences and do not require trips to the city center. The upper part of the building consists of residential capsules. These are small but fully functional spaces for temporary accommodation. The capsules are designed for young people, students, mobile professionals, or those who are in a transitional stage of life. They are not intended for permanent residence, but rather for a flexible and adaptive lifestyle. An important principle of the project is the interchangeability of the capsules. The residential part of the building can be updated and adapted over time without destroying the entire structure of the house. The Dandelion House is not just a single building, it is an architectural prototype that shows how peripheral areas can develop their own centers of life. Instead of background architecture, it offers an active, socially oriented model integrated into the everyday life of the neighborhood. Like dandelions, such houses can appear in different parts of the city, forming a network of attractions and gradually revitalizing the urban periphery.